Okay, so in today's video, we're going to go ahead and put the casing around this door, new casing around this front door. Okay, so this hallway comes out from our kitchen, which we just finished, and I just finished laying the floor down here. So the next thing I need to do is put the baseboard down on the floor and then paint these walls here. But before I can do that, I want to replace this baseboard. You can see that we got a little bit of a tear out here from our dogs when they, are very happy to see us when we get home. So they scratch at the door over the years. So I'm going to try and keep this casing, this piece of wood, but I need to remove all of this. Now the first part of removing it is that I'm going to take a knife and go around the edge and get rid of that silicone seal that's around there. But before I do that, I took measurements on the inside here so I can use these measurements to make my new casing so that I have the same reveal. Now we generally have about a 1/4 inch reveal on the inside, and I believe the reason for that, and I could be wrong on this, but I believe the reason for that is so that you don't notice if it's out of alignment so much. And that gives you this little gap. So if you put it right next to it and something's crooked, you could notice it a lot more. So we give this 1/4 inch reveal all the way around. So I'm going to start cutting this. Now, a lot of times they don't have silicone on the top because nobody sees it. So, and on sides that you don't really see, sometimes they don't have it there. I'm not sure. This sort of doesn't feel like there's some there. Okay. Next thing is to get in behind it and loosen it up. All right, got it off on one piece with some dangerous nails sticking out. So channel locks are your friends for removing staples. You can grab on and then rotate around and pull them right out. All right, so once everything's removed and I'm going to clean this all up, move out to the miter saw and make our cut. All right, so before I start putting this around, I'll make a couple 1/4 inch marks so that I know where I should line up these boards. So make these marks here. So they're quite accurate. Of my own references, like I said, if you didn't have any, you'd be doing this. I just put 2 in there for right now. This one in. Notice I have one that goes into the frame here and one that goes into the 2x4 stud there. Probably more nails than I need, but it's my house, so I want to make sure it doesn't fall apart. Now, once this is all framed up, the only thing left to do now is I will seal it up with some silicone around there, put in my baseboards, and then paint it. And it's pretty much done. So that's how you measure and set up and install for a new casing around your door. And the last thing is just to make sure that everything works, which it does. So now if you like this information, please do like and subscribe. We'll be doing more on as I continue the renovation once the kitchen is done now, but we're going to be moving on to other parts of the house. Plus there's going to be a lot of woodworking videos and shop projects. So make sure you hit that subscribe button, and thanks for watching this long.